Hello and welcome to another video. This video is the barcode template spreadsheet and how to input all of the data into this spreadsheet, what each column means. So first and foremost, you're going to insert the location address. So we're going to go back to the shopping list spreadsheet and we're going to add location address that has at least 2 items, which would be right here. So College Avenue, and we just copy paste that. And there is nowhere to put a date. You could just put the date right here, 7/3/2019. That way you know when you last updated this sheet. So the first item image, you're going to need to go find that. You're going to open BrickSeek link. You're going to open up the Amazon link. BrickSeek takes longer, so you could open up Amazon first. You can click and drag the image, and there you go. Now the image, if it's much bigger, like if you get it from here, if you click and drag it from BrickSeek, it will be bigger and you can use that, but look how much bigger it is. You have to right click on the image, go to size and properties, the height, narrow it down to 1, hit tab, close it out, shrink it down. That takes much longer. If you start with the smaller image on Amazon, it tends to be a nicer product image also. You just simply shrink it down. Now the title of the product you get from Amazon also, copy paste it into the URL and then select it all and paste it. To go over that again, triple click, 1, 2, 3, copy, open the URL, paste, and to select all of this easily, hit Control A to copy everything, and then hit Control C to physically copy the text, and then Alt Tab to go to this spreadsheet and paste, Control V. For the barcode, you're going to go to back to the BrickSeek link, hit barcode, click and drag the image, shrink it down a little bit. You do not want to cover the barcode number, and you do not want to cover the quantity. So now we're going to do the barcode number. If you do this, the HTML will be messed up. So you want to copy it either up here, copy paste, or you could just copy directly from here. This is the UPC code also. So just copy from up here and paste. Now we need to know the quantity that we could buy at this specific location. So when we go back and we scroll down, this location is College Avenue. So 3412 is the address. So 3412, hit Control F, 3412, and you find College Avenue. Quantity 2 at $3, so quantity 2 at $3 and $19.99. If you want to make this go faster, by the way, you could simply go back to the spreadsheet. You could hit quantity of 2, $3, $19.99, and you're done. And then you just go get the barcode and the barcode number and the image and the purchase limited too. But at first you could fill out all this information. So 2, price now is $11.99. MSRP is $78.50, and then you could just go down the list for all the items that you have here, and then once you're done with that, you can come back up and you could match the link to the price, make sure you're matching up the product correctly, make sure you have attention to detail, and you're not inputting, quantity of 15 on this item when that's supposed to have a quantity of 2. So just make sure you have attention to detail when you're doing this. So now you still have to click on the BrickSeek link so you can get the image and the barcode. BrickSeek will take longer, so in Amazon you're just going to click and drag the image, title of product, barcode is going to be in BrickSeek, view barcode, click and drag the barcode, image, shrink it down, barcode number up here, And then now the purchase limited to. This is going to be the hardest part, but honestly it's not too difficult. We already have the Amazon link, so we already know how much it sells. You will not have this by default in Google Chrome yet. It's called a Keepa graph. So you need to go download Keepa. So Keepa Google Chrome. So Keepa Google Chrome. Go to the Google Chrome web store, chrome.google, and you're going to install it. Mine says remove, yours will say open or install. You're just going to simply install it, and you're going to have this Keepa graph for free installed on your computer to analyze how many sales it has gone through. So once you have this installed, you go to the month chart, and you see how many have sold in a month. You can count this if you want to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm counting the orange triangles, by the way, which means a new Prime Amazon fulfilled package, which means I purchased the item from a physical store, which is what we are doing, and then I ship it to Amazon.com, and Amazon ships it, does the customer service and the returns for me. So Amazon Prime is the only thing we want to make sure that we are looking for and selecting. Blue is people who ship it themselves. These black circles are people in the gray box, used like new. So they're used items that people are shipping out themselves. And the purple box, the purple X's on the bottom, are warehouse deals where Amazon.com sells this product, and they sell it at a discount because the package is damaged or maybe the product is damaged. And then the blue up top is for people who are selling it brand new but shipping it themselves. So we're focusing on the triangle that is orange, which is the orange box on the right hand side right now, for $73.48 is what it says the price is. There's no competitors right now, so the price has gone up to $78.50. So if you were to count all of these, you might get about 30 to 50 FBA, fulfillment by Amazon boxes. So there's an easy equation. Instead of doing all of that math, you can look and see that there are a lot of FBA packages. There's one competitor. If there were 20 competitors, it might be harder to sell if you're competing with 20 people, but there's only one person in this circumstance. So there's about 30 to 50 of those dots. Easier way to find it, Control, open this into a new window. Control F, search by rank. And when you look for rank, it's going to show you the rank in the bestsellers rank right here. We do not have a broad category rank, unfortunately. It's in video games. It does not say the rank in the video games, unfortunately. So this might be a circumstance where you have to do the math yourself and gather that information yourself. So you might just have to sort by month and count 30 to 50, and then whatever that number is, you divide by 3. But let's say it did have a sales rank. You're going to open up Google Chrome, type in Jungle Scout rank, and click the first link. Once you have this web page loaded, you're going to click the URL, drag the URL down to a fast bookmark link so you could easily get there in the future. Let's say the sales rank is 35,000 as an example, because we don't have the fact on Amazon, unfortunately, and it's going to be in video games. So I believe it actually would have a sales rank of that high rank. Maybe let's just call it rank 500. It sells 960 a month. That doesn't look too realistic from what we see on the Keepa graph. 1,000 looks more realistic. I would say that could possibly be about 500. Let's say 1,500. 330 dots. I think there might be 330 dots there. So you're going to divide that by 3. I don't think that's still even realistic. there might be less dots. 240. I would say maybe 240 there. So 240 divided by 3 is 80. So 240 would be, it's counting the warehouse deals, the used, the new, and the Amazon FBA all together. That's how many sales per month it's getting. So you're going to divide that by 3 and you get 80. So we could purchase 80 of these in a potential month and make profit from them. So the purchase limited to for this item, the green item, remember it is the green item, it would be 80. So there's 2 available to go buy at this store, but I could buy as many as I want. I could buy up to 80 if I really wanted to, because there's only one competitor, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I would say about 40. So maybe I could shrink this down to be safe and say 40 or even 30. I realistically can't even buy that much, but I could basically buy as many as I want and they would sell. So that's how you find rank. Let's see if we could find rank on this other item as well. So the Amazon item, we're going to open up in a new window and search for rank. 71,000 in toys and games. There's 60. 60 divided by 3 is 20. So I could purchase a maximum amount of 20 of this item. And that item would be the headset. So I could purchase 20. And I could purchase 30 of these. And so on and so on and so on. You would just keep adding them to the list. Now if it's not on Amazon, let's say this item is only on eBay. So let's copy this link. If it's not on Amazon, we'll go to eBay and we'll find the sales rank from eBay. So when you type in the barcode into eBay, you'll get the new active listings. 46 people are currently selling this item. Make sure it's brand new, not used. 39 people are selling it brand new. They're currently selling it, buy it now, not an auction, but buy it now, is $45. If we purchase it for $11, that seems like it's going to be profitable. Because $45 times 0.87, which would be 9.15 for eBay fees, 2.9 for PayPal fees, 12.5 is the total percentage cost. Let's call it 13%. 13% minus 100 would be 0.87. So 0.87 of 45 would be $39.15. Minus $12 to purchase it, and we're making $27 profit, which divided by 12 is 226%. So this would be a great ROI even for eBay. So we would go one step further actually. So there's 38 results, but how many have actually sold in the left hand corner? It looks like in the past 90 days, 43 have sold. So if 43 have sold in 90 days, that would be 43 divided by 3, which would be 3 months in 90 days. So we're looking for how much is going to sell in a month. That would be 14 should sell in 1 month. You're going to divide that number by 3. So we could purchase 5 and comfortably sell them either on Amazon or on eBay. You could sell 5 on eBay, or you could sell 30 on Amazon. So I'm going to input another column here actually for you, and that's going to be the same thing here, but this will be for Amazon and this will be for eBay. And I would like you to let me know which one actually is more profitable, eBay or Amazon. So there's 2 numbers to get here for me, and I'm going to update this moving forward for all spreadsheets moving forward. So I need the eBay purchase limited to and the Amazon. That way I know which platform I could sell most productively in. This spreadsheet might actually evolve in the future. If you have any input, that would be great, but this is basically how you update all of the information into the spreadsheet as it currently is. Areas you do not touch would be the profit and expense. Those are automatically calculated on the Excel spreadsheet. Up here you do not touch because it's automatically calculated. And then make sure when you're finished with inputting the data that the ROI is above 100%. Because if it is below 100%, that is not a profitable item. So make sure also that this spreadsheet is above 100%. And if I'm spending $30 in red, $29.98, this number needs to be more than $30. So this is 3 times more, so it's 300% return on investment. So this is a good number. But again, make sure that it's above 100%. And that's how you update into the barcode. It's actually very, very easy to do. The hardest part is finding how many items sell on Amazon, divide that by 3, and that's how many items I should buy maximum. Finding that item on eBay, sorting by sold, how many are currently sold in the past 90 days, dividing that by 3 to get the month, dividing that by 3 to get the market share, the amount that I could realistically sell. If I could sell 30% of what everyone else sells in a month, would be a realistic number, which would be 5, and that could be 5 for eBay. So that's how you do that information. Let's go ahead and do it right here for this one also, just so you are aware of a different item. So this one is only sold 1. It did sell June 10th. That was 3 weeks ago, so it definitely is not a hot selling item on eBay. There are 28 listed, but only 1 person has sold them. So this is an item that would definitely not go on eBay. So I would put 0. But for Amazon, it would still be 20 though. So there we are. That's the spreadsheet. If you have any questions, please let me know. And thank you.